Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I'm doing a what's in my bag for the Horse Romy Bag. Yee! Okay, so if you've been watching some of my videos, you would have seen that I purchased my Clementine bag back in January and I absolutely fell in love with it, fell in love with the brand The Horse. Speaking of horse, my voice is a little in and out. I picked up once again another daycare cold, so bear with me please. And after I bought the Clementine, I very shortly after bought the Rammy bag, which is this little 90s style cylinder bag in the color oat. And I also bought the Clara bag at the same time because I just love my Clementine so much. I really wanted to try out these two styles. So I had a couple of people asking me questions in the comments of those unboxings. What really fits in these bags? Does it like hold its shape when you put things in it, especially this one? And so today I'm gonna just do a little what fits and try on of this with it fully stuffed. And yeah, you can see for yourself what it can actually hold. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so you probably already saw this bag is fairly simple. It's a circular cylindrical bag. It has an adjustable strap. It has silver hardware detail, and the only opening it has is the top. And the straps are still a little bit stiff, still working that out as I wear it. But here we go. Opens like this. It's fully lined with a cotton, and it doesn't have any pockets on the interior, just a little leather tag, as you can see here. And that's it, just a one-way zip. And so what I think I'll do is I will show you the items I'm putting in as I put it in, and then I'll show you like a top-down what it looks like, and then some try-ons. Keep it really simple and hopefully pretty short. The number one thing that people have been asking is how the phone fits in. And so I have my iPhone here. This is not the plus size, but the slightly smaller size. And it does fit very nicely into the bag. Even with the case it would be fine. And you can see here what my phone looks like in the bag. So if it's just fine, there's space on either side of it. I can stick my hand in pretty easily to pull it out. No problems there. The zipper isn't very scratchy on my fingers or anything like that, so that's a good sign. So second, I wouldn't really be able to fit like my full-size wallet in here. You can see it's almost the same size, and it's just far too wide to fit in, so obviously I wouldn't be putting that in. So I'd be putting my card holder in. This one is from Cezanne, has a little zip at the top, holds a few cards here, and I hold cards inside the zip area, so it holds everything I need. And that fits in just fine as well. You got that in there. And then usually I have things like sunglasses case. In this case, I would just put my sunglasses maybe in the little microfiber bag if I wanted to put them in. Most likely I'd just be wearing them, but let's see if they fit. Okay, sunglasses can fit in there. Let's see how we're doing on space. Okay, still a tiny bit of space. And then I think the last essential are my keys, and I keep my keys in this little pouch. And so I stick that in there. There we go. Let's see if it zips. It's a little tight and it looks a little lumpy, so my keys might have to come out of the pouch, or I take out the sunglasses ultimately. Okay, so this is what it looks like super stuffed. That obviously isn't very attractive. I would not wear this bag that way. You can also wear this bag this way, but there's no way I would wear it that way. And so how I would actually wear it is just take that out. Usually my phone is honestly in my pocket, but it's always good to have space for your phone if you don't want it in your pocket. And so after I have my keys, my wallet, and my phone in there, I zip it up. And that's how she looks, much better. Still a little lumpy, like you can kind of tell. Well, maybe you can't actually. Let's look from the side. I feel like because I know where my phone is, I know that it's laying like kind of horizontally. Yeah, like, so, but I don't know if you can actually tell, which is great. Okay, that's promising. And then if I were to hold it vertically like this, how does she look? Pretty good. Up there you can tell a little bit that it's actually not bad. Not bad at all for a cylindrical little bag. And yeah, then onto my shoulder. And that's what it looks like. And so, as expected, this bag really doesn't fit a lot. It doesn't hold a lot. It's very cute though, so it's totally worth it. I think in the spring, this is gonna be a fantastic bag for me. And then I'd have like a tote bag for any other essentials, like if I'm going to a coffee shop and I want like notebooks and sunglasses and who knows what else, then maybe I would have a little bit of like extra space in a tote bag, keep that in my car if I need it. And this is just like the cute bag for essentials. Also good for going out. There's a black version that I'm super tempted by. Probably don't need it, but really tempted by, and that would be a really nice evening bag. But yeah, so that's what fits. So now I'll show you top down, taking things out and how much space is still in here. So here we are. Open it up. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. Here we are with my key pouch. Then we have my, let's pull her out, my wallet, and the card case. And then you can see in here, then there's just my phone. Okay, so that's what I can fit very easily. Let's say I reload it back up. Maybe I put my phone on top, to be honest. Put my card case back in there. Stick my keys in as well. Actually, let's put like, we need some like lip gloss and stuff in there too. I always have a pen on me, so let's put a pen in there. Let's see, and then see how my phone fits. Doing this again one-handed. Let's do it this way. There we go. Yeah, if I do have my phone in there, I would really want it to be at the top. Okay, so I can zip it. A miracle, I can zip it with one hand. Okay, and there she is. A little bit, so I probably wouldn't want that because I can see my phone here poking in the side of the bag. So honestly, I don't think I would keep my phone in here. It's just going to create too much chaos in the bag. I'd have to pack it so perfectly. So let me take it out and see how it feels. Just with the phone wallet keys lippy in there. I think that's, yeah, pretty nice. I could even fit in like, this is my little compact. Stick that in there if I wanted. Or let's go back to my sunglasses. Stick those back in there. Oops, sorry, sunglasses. There we go. Zip those up and see how it's looking. Pretty good. Okay. So that is what fits in the Clementine bag. To be totally honest, I wouldn't put my phone in here. It's just so heavy and it would need to like stay kind of upright like this for me to like stack things like vertically and almost filing it in there for me to feel comfortable having it in there, because as soon as it lays this way, it starts to bulge at the sides, and that's not, it doesn't bulge here, but you just see it pushing through a little bit. But without it, everything is light enough where the bag maintains its shape. There's no like extra bulging or anything like that. I think it looks really good. And yeah, and also the weight feels really nice as well. In here right now, I have my key pouch, my wallet, my sunglasses, a pen, and a lip product. And I think that's it. So that's like definitely my essentials. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. I will definitely share a few more pictures of it on. And I cannot wait to wear this more all spring long. Love this bag. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested in this bag. By the way, I noticed that there are several of these, like this style coming out. The Row has like a slightly bigger version, a little boxier, and also Reformation has one almost exactly the same. I had no idea that this was like a popular style when I purchased it, but I can link some of those below too, because Reformation has some pretty cool colors. Not nearly as affordable, but they have like a leopard print one, I think, and like a calf hair, and yeah, so there's some pretty cool ones on the market right now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.